Today, we head off the Enchanted Princess and into the beauty of Roatan, Honduras. Our family gets up close and personal with some of the amazing animals that call this beautiful region home. Travel along with us to experience one of the most amazing excursions from our recent cruise with Princess Cruise Line. Today, we make memories. Let's go. We booked through this company called 2K's Travel or 2K's Adventure, and we were supposed to be on a bus with a bunch of other people, but other people were late to come, so they actually just threw us in a small kind of SUV, which was really nice because it was like a private transfer around the island, and we get our own guide that's going to be taking us all around.
When the caterpillar hatch, we move from the bottle and we put on the plant. Look, we need to change the plant for 35 days. They need a fresh food.
Ben, look at Mommy! Ben! You're allowed to corn.
What'd you think of that? Hey, me and a toucan.
At the corner you can go. You want on your head? Sure. Come over here, Daddy. What about you?
Let's do it on your hand.
Which one? Come over.
On our way to see some sloths. You ever think you'd say that, Nora?
No.
No, me neither. Ben, what are you gonna say to the sloth?
Hi, little slothy sloths. How about in slow motion?
Hi, Mr. Slothy Sloth. It's gonna be like Zootopia at the DMV, right?
That's like that. I hope he's wearing a tie, too.
Oh my goodness, what if the sloth is wearing a tie, Ben?
Dig a hole then when they put
They make a hole with the tail sometimes and they protect the poop like that.
First.
Let me do it
Mommy
first.
does it
Come here.
first.
Hands in the butt, soft, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Right there?
Soft.
Well, that's okay. Oh, hey, baby.
This way. This way.
It's so light.
He likes you.
Oh. He has the cutest little face. It is hard not to squeeze him.
Is he gonna give you a kiss?
Huh?
I don't know.
I got
Open
you.
your arms.
Open your arms.
Open arm. Hold the booty.
arms.
Heel, right on the
Don't
tail.
squeeze him.
Okay, right there.
Yeah, no squeeze.
Right there. Photo taker had to be from this side. Right there, right, that's good. Right there.
Look at Mommy, Ben.
Look here, buddy. Look. Find a picture from Daddy.
No, I do.
Are we doing the spider monkeys now?
I think so. What do you guys think of the sloths there, Ben?
Good.
It was good?
Also,
It was interesting, of course. Oh, there you go, Nora.
Beep beep. All right, let's go.
The sloths were like so light. I couldn't believe how light they were.
I thought they were going to be heavy.
I thought they were too. They were so light.
Which was surprising.
Long time trying to reproduce the scarlet macaw, the red bird. This year we got it. 2 of them that hatch on the park.
Wow.
Yeah, the first
awesome.
hatch on the park. And right now they are like 6 months
Mom,
old.
what did you
Wow.
He said they were
Yes,
trying to.
but they look ugly when they hatch.
They were trying to get scarlet macaw babies, and they've never had any luck.
It's all right. I was ugly when I hatched too, and now look at me. Look how pretty I am.
Hatched for the first time ever.
The sloths were like really cool. The trainers were awesome. Did a really nice job taking care of the animals as well as giving everybody an experience. It was a lot of fun. This is a great little park. So it's been a ton of fun so far. So we're doing a couple more things here. And we're gonna go see a spider monkey, I think, right?
Yep.
Spider monkey. And
Are spider monkeys.
do a couple other fun things.
So, for that reason. And the spider
don't have
monkey,
any
just
here
we
'cause the
release
howler
at
monkeys
9.
are aggressive.
And at the
They
morning,
attack
just we
people.
put the food inside and they go in looking for food.
Because that's what they
Okay,
do.
right?
These guys are nice, but they
So,
take people's sunglasses.
at this
so they keep them in
moment,
there.
we're gonna move to the king coyote cage for feed the king coyote and take some pictures with them, okay?
They probably
Excellent,
like
thank you.
reflection or something. So he
Look at
said
them
they let
jumping
them out
around.
at night.
Look how long their tails are. One of the really cool things that they keep sharing is how they let the animals out at night and let them roam free, which is really, really great. That they're just not caged up all the time, that they use the cages to feed them and take care of them and give them refuge and everything. Especially with some of these animals, like the monkeys like to eat other animals like the butterflies and some of the eggs of the other plants or of the other animals as well. So it's really nice to be able to see them do really great things for the animals as well.
Sweet corn.
They love corn, don't they?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Can you hold them?
No, but you can pet it, that one.
Okay.
Hang on.
Wow,
Hold it up
little
then.
dude.
Hold it up high. We can just stand on his back legs.
It's pretty awesome.
All right, pull it down now.
It's okay.
Whoops, she said see ya. She's done.
Yeah.
Oh, she's holding straight.
Okay, ready?
Ready? That was so neat.
Just experienced. We finished up the Mayan Eden adventure park kind of area, and it was a ton of fun. Highly suggest coming and checking out this excursion, and it's great for families. And what's really nice is that this was nice for both of our kids. Nora's a little bit more introverted and a little bit more careful, but she told me that she still had a great time even though she didn't like touch or hold any of the animals. Ben, our more adventurous one, definitely had a great time as well. So a really great kind of quick excursion within here. So we're actually going to continue this excursion. We're going to head to a nice vantage point to take some pictures and enjoy that, and then go check out a chocolate and rum factory as well. Here we go.
These hotels and Airbnb over here that does snorkeling and scuba diving from here. So this is a small hotel here. And up here also. See the grapes?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the grapes. Yeah, August, September, and it makes delicious wine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Delicious. grapes to grow on the beach. Yep, they're what they call the sea grapes. Yes, more coconuts.
Wow. Honduras, we love you. This is lovely. This has blown away our expectations.
Some kind of plant.
It looks just like sea kind of grass.
The water is crystal clear.
Yeah.
The water over there is blue.
Wow.
That's the type of water that we have all the way on shore on the beaches that the hotels are.
Looks like Shrek.
I don't think that is a fish. I think
From here under the dock, they're swimming with the dolphins right now. I can see them right under the dock there. Straight up.
the dolphins.
Yeah, right under the dock. They're swimming with them. You can see them moving around. You see the guys there in the blue shirt?
Yeah.
Right around that area. Someone is there swimming with them. What happened? They has time at the dolphin show, then after that they swim with the dolphins.
Wow.
See the guys on the dock in the blue shirts. There's
See them?
people in.
What's the name of this the resort or this area?
This is Sandy Bay. It's actually Antoniski.
Anthony's
It comes
Key?
in where we came in is Antoniski.
Okay.
The guy for Antoniski is also the owner of the dolphin. He also does scuba diving. Number one is doing scuba diving, and he also does horseback riding on the beach.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And then there's bungalows and resorts and
Bungalow,
Airbnbs.
resort, Airbnb, a hotel also. So
Excellent. Oh my goodness.
there's a lot to do in here in Santa Bay.
And then the reef is over
Yeah, the barrier reef is just over there.
right over there. We can't see it right now because the sun is blocked, but that's okay.
Come on, Dad.
That was awesome. It's beautiful here.
Yeah. So that boat going there right now, they're gonna go swim with the dolphins.
They're gonna go swim with the dolphins. Those guys, those are lucky.
Did you see it? Yeah, they're probably gonna keep looking over there.
The water's crystal clear. I mean, you can't see it as well as you could if the sun was out, but man, it's beautiful.
Mommy, I saw someone riding on one.
I think she's seeing it, yeah.
Do you see all like the shells on there, like the mussels and stuff?
Can I step on there, Dad?
No,
Yeah,
we're not gonna
there's
start
little,
going
those are
farther
little
out.
mussels and shells. Look at them moving. Where? It's like a tide pool. All of those have a tide.
So much fun, isn't it?
He's got that some snorkeling too.
He designed all of it. You look over there, you're going to see the different design that they have on there. This is the guy that does it. Let's look at them. That's so cool. Different character from different this. I don't know now. When you say sometimes he has Minnie Mouse, turtle. Oh my goodness. Mickey and Minnie. That's so.
All right, time for one of our favorite things, eating and chocolate all together. Go ahead, kids.
If you like coffee, they has great coffee.
Well,
here
I love
also.
coffee. I could go for a cup of coffee.
They have it.
All right, come on over here, sweetheart.
It's 30 if you take it off. Wow. Oh, we're gonna go upstairs. That's where we're gonna do the tasting.
Where are you going to do the tasting? Upstairs.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hi, I know.
Oh my goodness, it smells amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Here.
Where do you want to go? Up here?
We're gonna learn about this. She's gonna come up with for me, right? You can watch it. You can get here.
All right, we're returning back to the ship after an awesome day. We had probably one of the best guides we've ever encountered. It was pretty awesome. We were really, we weren't supposed to have her. We were supposed to be in this big group, but some of the people were running late, so we got a private tour basically, and we were able to pace everything ourselves. When the kids were getting a little bit hangry, we were able to stop by a local supermarket and grab a couple snacks for them. And we were able to just kind of pace things to our needs and everything like that. We were able to go get chocolate and spend extra time.
Yummy.
It was very yummy. It was very yummy chocolate. But now we're headed back to our cruise ship, and we're tired, a little bit hungry, but super fulfilled. We absolutely love Honduras and Roatan. It's an incredible place. Can't encourage you to come here more. It's beautiful. It's safe. It's so much to do and everything. So
Also, two main ports. So we're in a port that Carnival made called Mahogany Bay. So we're on Princess, and there's a Carnival ship here also, but there's another port as well that's a little bit older, but is currently being redone. And there was Harmony of the Seas from Royal was docked there today. So that's cool. So you don't have to be with a certain cruise line to come here, which is really nice.
yeah, so once again, an incredible day. Super pumped. Ready to go inside, get some pizza or something else. And ice cream. Lots of stuff. So thanks for tuning in. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Mandy at Magical Memory Planners. And thanks, John.